Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a basic crochet stitch. I hope you enjoy. The materials I'll be using is a crochet hook. As you see there, that's a crochet hook. Then a scissors for cutting the yarn after finishing, and of course we'll be using a yarn. So I hope you enjoy. Kindly stay tuned to the end and enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. So let's get started. To begin, we are going to make a knot at the end of the yarn, as you see me doing there. So just go ahead, make a knot. Then insert the hook in the circle formed by the knot, as you've seen there. And for purposes of making the yarn tight, I kind of roll it up on my finger, then hold it at the bottom part, as you see. Then to crochet, you are going to take your needle. The hook must point towards the downer part. Then you just insert, as you see there, yarn over and pull it through the knot that you made, which will kind of be loose, but you'll just continue the same process. So let's do that again. The hook should be pointing downwards, yarn over the yarn, then pull it out, yarn over, then use the hook to pull out the yarn over, pull it out. So that's basically what you are going to be doing, and you can crochet this to the length that you want. So just yarn over, as you've seen there, then pull it out, yarn over, pull it out. So you're going to repeat this process up to the end, whichever length that you want. So after you've gotten the length that you want, that's the length that I'll be working with. So it's time for making a U-turn. So watch that keenly how I'm going to be making that U-turn. So I'll skip the first stitch and insert the hook in the second stitch. I hope you can see that clearly. So there it is again. I'll skip the first hook and insert it in the second hook. I hope that's clear. You can see those two stitches there. So I'll insert the hook in the second stitch, then yarn over that yarn and pull it through, then yarn over again. You can adjust the length of the yarn as you want. So then yarn over again and pull it through those two stitches there that have been created on the hook, and that's it. So that's how you make your U-turn. Then you just continue the process again, as you see there. So you are going to insert the hook in a stitch that was created earlier, then you yarn over, pull it through to create two strands of yarn on the hook, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the two stitches that were made on the hook. So that's how you are going to be doing until you get to the end of that row. So here I'm at the end. Make sure you finish until the last stitch that was created, the very first one. So that's it. Then you'll see how it's coming out already. As I said, you can make the stitches longer, taller or shorter depending on whatever you want. Then now we are just going to make a U-turn again and stitch the next row. That will be the third row now. So after making that turn, you just insert the needle again on the first stitch, then you yarn over, insert it on the first stitch, yarn over, and do that. And that's basically how we do a basic stitch. So I hope you enjoyed, and remember to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, and I hope you also make your craft projects, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.